So guys, this is the final result. I have my mashed potatoes with my beef and my sauce put on top. Yeah, I had my sauce before my beef, and yeah. So this is what we have. And this is the fruits. This is what we'll be having. So guys, this is my bell pepper and my sweet pepper. Yeah, I have my meat that has been sauteed with some black pepper, some cayenne salt. I'm sorry, not salt. Maggi liquid, some soya spice, which is the main ingredients for this. And make sure that whatever meat that you're using, try as much as possible to chop the meat into little pieces, just because I'm gonna be cooking this for 4 to 6 minutes on both sides. It depends on you. You can do 8 minutes, you can do 4 minutes, but 4 to 6 minutes is gonna make it work for me. So yeah, this looks so good. Oh, sorry about that, I forgot to tell you guys, I have my basil leaf in here and my fresh thyme, and I'm cooking this with some unsalted butter and my vegetable oil. And this is the last piece that we have in here, and this is what is happening. We have a sauce. So I'll go ahead and put in the spices. I'm going to be showing you guys what I'll be putting, or put it in the caption, just in case I don't show you guys, because I'm live while I'm recording. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, in here I just put in my cayenne pepper, put in my ginger and garlic powder. I put in my bell pepper, my sweet pepper, my seasoning cube. I actually put 3. I put in salt. You don't have to. Seasoning cube, you don't have to as well. That is optional. But for my household, I love it. It makes it taste different. If you don't eat it, that is fine. And if you've never eaten it before, I think you should try it. You will love it. The seasoning cube kind of like gives it like a different kind of taste. You don't have to do too much. You could do just 1 or 2, but I actually did 3. I did 2 seasoning cube, 1 chicken bouillon. Then I put in my, what did I put? My black pepper, my parsley, and my chili pepper with my, I think I put in 1 thing. I forgot. I have to check that. My white pepper. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, this is how it looks like. You see how watery this is? I don't really want it to be this watery. I want it to like everything to like soak up, because I'm gonna put the mashed potatoes, put the beef, then put in the sauce. And so far, this is how our beef looks like. It's been 8 minutes, I guess. I'm looking at the time. I'm gonna pull it out. Please don't forget to fry this with your fresh thyme, your basil leaf, and your, what did I use again? I'll have to check. So I just put them all pastry In my sauce, I'm gonna be putting in my onion, and this is the last set of the beef, and this is what we have so far. So I'm gonna put this on the side. I'm gonna grab my onions. So for the onions, for the last part, you don't have to chop it like the one that I had at first. You can have it in this piece just because you want it to be fresh on the beef, and you don't want to overcook it as well. I've put in just a little portion of it. I've kept the rest because I'm gonna throw it on top, and I don't want this to be overcooked. So this is it, guys. Can you see how bomb this looks already? Even if you take this out now, it is still ready because there is no tomatoes in here. Just my sweet pepper, my bell pepper, my what? See, I'm my what? Look at that, guys. So this will be served with some sweet mashed potatoes. I'm gonna show you guys. This is it. I'm gonna pull it out, and this will be mashed with some cooking cream and some unsalted butter. I'm gonna be showing you guys the process, but so far the potatoes was boiled. Yeah, keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow if you're just joining our channel for the very first time. And this is Hardin Family. Your chef just came back from school with good results, guys, so I decided to give them a treat. So guys, this is my unsalted butter, this is my cooking cream. Here we have our sweet potatoes, we have the beef, and the sauce which is getting ready. So I'm gonna mash the potatoes. I don't really want it to be super soft. Sorry, I'm holding the phone while I'm recording. Yeah, I'm gonna have my butter pour inside. I don't want to put everything because I want to see how it goes. Mash, mash. So for this, I'm gonna be using just 1 pack of my cooking cream. It's a little bit thick because I put it in my deep freezer. I had a couple of things that I wanted to put in the particular section, and I didn't know that I was gonna use it today. So that's why you see it, the thickness. So yeah, I'm gonna pour in a little bit of cotton paste inside because I wanted to have that fine look. You don't have to. I'm doing it because I like it. So it is all preference. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, that's fine. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys once it's done. This is just the process, just because I'm holding the phone in my hands. And we are live. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. We're live. Oh, while we're doing this. So I'll show you guys once everything is finished. But so far, this is what we got. So guys, here are the mashed potatoes. Sweet potatoes are there. Here we have the sauce. Here we have the beef. I'm gonna serve it and I'll show you guys how it looks like. This is the fruit. This is what we'll be having.
On the time you tell mommy you two on the chair. I said you. I said you. No, you two on the chair too. Listen, no, you got my neck. You'll be 75. Listen, what's me? Silk. I mean this, you know. I miss him. I guess you caca.
So guys, for this I'm gonna be putting my soya spice because I just want it to be a little bit different. You don't have to, but yeah, this is how it looks like.